Right. Listen up, you gorgeous people. Today, we're diving headfirst into a true American legend. A dish that's going to hug your soul and make you question every other meal you've ever had. We're talking about the magnificent, the utterly divine, chicken fried steak with its glorious cream gravy. Forget your bland, dry imitations you've had at some greasy spoon. We're doing it properly, with passion, precision, and a whole lot of flavor. Guaranteed to bring a tear to your eye, a happy tear. Of course, this isn't just food, it's a culinary masterpiece begging to be devoured. Let's get cracking, shall we? Alright, team, gather round, because quality ingredients are the bedrock of any truly outstanding dish. And this chicken fried steak is no exception. We've got our star, tenderized cubed steak, about half an inch thick. Don't you dare pick up some tough old shoe leather. Then, the magic trifecta for dredging. All-purpose flour, beaten eggs, and whole milk, each playing their crucial role in that crispy coating. For that unforgettable gravy, we'll need unsalted butter, more flour, a good chicken stock, heavy cream, and a generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. Simple, yet powerful, when handled with respect. Now, let's talk prep, because a well-prepared kitchen is a happy kitchen. And a happy kitchen makes for bloody good food. First, grab your cubed steaks. If they're not thin enough, place them between two sheets of plastic wrap and, with the flat side of a meat mallet, give them a good, firm whack until they're uniformly about a 1/4 inch thick. This tenderizes them beautifully and helps them cook evenly. Next, set up your dredging station. One shallow dish for seasoned flour, salt, pepper, a touch of paprika, one for whisked eggs with a splash of milk, and one more for flour. Absolute precision. People, right, this is where the sizzle happens. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat, and add enough neutral oil, like canola or vegetable, to come about an inch up the sides. We're looking for that oil to be shimmering, almost smoking, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, ready to embrace our steak. While that's heating, take your prepped steak, dredge it thoroughly in the seasoned flour. Then dip it into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off. And finally, back into the flour for a second. Crucial coating, pressing gently to ensure every inch is covered. This double dredge is what gives us that incredible, craggy crust. Now, carefully place a steak into the hot oil, not overcrowding the pan. You hear that beautiful sizzle? That's what we want. Once those beautiful steaks hit the oil, cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they're gloriously golden brown and utterly crispy. Don't touch them too much. Let that crust form. Flip them once, and admire that magnificent transformation. That's what passion looks like on a plate. Once cooked, transfer them to a wire rack set over a baking sheet to drain any excess oil and keep them exquisitely crisp while you work on the star of the show, that creamy, dreamy gravy. We want those steaks perfectly cooked through, tender on the inside, with a shatteringly crisp exterior. Absolutely no compromise on texture here. Got it? Now, for the soul of this dish, the gravy. Carefully pour off all but about 2 tablespoons of that luscious frying oil from the skillet, leaving all those beautiful browned bits behind. Reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly, until you've got a golden brown roux. Smell that nutty aroma. Don't you